Shri Bhagwati presents Semi-Automatic Filling Machine. A semi-automatic filling machine is a type of equipment used in various industries to fill containers, such as bottles, jars, or containers, with liquid or viscous products. It is called semi-automatic because it requires some level of manual intervention or operation, as opposed to fully automatic filling machines that operate entirely without human input. Semi-automatic filling machines are commonly used in small to medium-sized production facilities where automation may not be necessary or cost-effective. They offer a balance between manual filling, which can be slow and labor-intensive, and fully automatic machines, which are more expensive and complex. The specific design and features of a semi-automatic filling machine can vary depending on the type of product being filled, such as liquids, creams, gels, or powders, and the industry it serves, such as food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, or chemicals. Operators control the filling process by placing containers, initiating filling, and monitoring the process to ensure accurate and Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.